go. Bitch, you talk too much. I move in the snow. Tell me what's the rush. You don't know me well. I belong in hell.
What's up, dudes? It's really nice out today. As you guys can see, it's sunny. It's actually like 5 p.m. We got the tempo down finally. So the Miata's there. Evo, we got the other tempo down. Corolla's out. We put on this wing on Gav's BMW. I'm trying to convince him to just put the angle kit and like, let's go to iCar tomorrow and go drifting. I also got the hitch on C's from this bad boy. Got my new 8-ton hitch on. Got the new springs and everything. I just gotta change, transmission is empty, so I gotta fill the transmission fluid. What's up, dude?
What's up?
So I just put the angle kit on that side. You guys can see we have major toe out on both sides. I am doing custom lower control arms, so they'll be extended. And we'll be able to adjust caster and camber down there. I know Fred's not touching his car this weekend, but maybe tomorrow. We'll see. I guess he's cleaning out his car. I finally fixed all the burnt tail lights and the headlight and the third brake light. We got all new lights on the Subaru. Alright, so we're at iCar today. We decided not to do work on the cars. Oh, skateboard. What's up, everybody? And we decided to go see some drifting. This place is packed. It's okay, next weekend we'll get to work on our cars and then we'll get going. Let's go watch some drifting. What do you think? Hey Gab,
Yeah.
is that your old E36?
Sadly, it is.
Oh my god.
I'm dead sure it is.
Cue montage. What?
Here, feels good.
It does, doesn't it?
Okay.
It's got the spec to the filter. So this is Gab's E36 drift car. You know what Gab was calling his car earlier? He's like, it's the Apollo 36.
Yeah, that's what I told him. I'm like, he needs a sticker for it, man. It's a perfect name for it.
Gab's sound clip. Whoa.
Don't rev it too fucking much, moron.
Sounds like shit compared to his.
It sounds like shit, or mine?
No, yours does.
Yeah, I know.
Sounds like a little like trompette.
When I put my foot
I saw the big ass subs weighing down the back.
Oh, oh.
For sale, $300. Anybody wants them?
Oh, shop talk. $300 for sale. Also, bumper for sale.
If not, wall tap.
If not, we're gonna smash it.
Just stick it, man.
30. You can go videotape the girls how straight they are. Go down, down.
C'est mon ancienne, 36. Oui, ça avait.
Oh ouais.
Yeah.
Avec tous les enregistrements, je vais la plaquer. Je l'avais vendu à... J'ai encore tes papiers d'assurance dans le coffre à clé.
C'est un gars de Sudbury. Moi, Adam. Ouais, il y a ça, je pense que c'était là.
Ça, c'est drôle en Chris, man. Fucking Gab. Is that fun?
You got some water in there also.
Bye guys. Take care. Yeah.
Chill.
You got some tape somewhere.
Shavings?
Well,
You guys might remember Pizarski from movies as
Hello.
my first videos on my
Talk
YouTube
time?
channel.
You guys have to remember talk time. It's the best.
Son, father. Son, father. This used to be white, by the way.
This track's opening up because the burnout. Is it? I saw a burnout before.
Yeah, this fucking smooch.
So we're just gonna go do some time attacking this base Lancer, right?
Exactly. It is a base Lancer.
It's definitely a base Lancer.
We got 146 unicorns. And we're gonna unleash all of them.
We're
with
gonna
the magical powers of Mitsubishi.
We're gonna kill this Subaru.
It's a Civic thing.
He's being a Civic.
Bro, look at the drums though. Damn, are those some 10-inch drums, bro? Oh yeah.
That rust though.
That rust. Dynamic weight loss, folks.
Put those fake Riga Masters.
Dynamic weight loss.
We get it, bro. You vape.
He does vape.
I know he does. Look at that. Look at that puff.
Oh, vaping. Oh, this guy's got racing gloves behind us. Okay, okay. Oh, I see, I see. This changes tarmac, gravel, or snow. And apparently a noise may be emitted from the engine bay. Interesting. Should we go in snow? Gravel? Let's go tarmac.
Yo, this guy puffs more than my Subaru.
I know.
It's so bad.
I mean, ringlands.
His engine's about to blow.
We are not gonna get that time today, so 23 maybe.
Oh my god. That's such a bad launch.
Oh my god. Alright folks. I think he just blew his motor. That's how you do it. Get the fuck out of the way, greenhorn.
Greenhorn.
Don't you put that rig in front of me. I smell the ganja. I can't go lower than first gear.
Yeah, all this water on this ice. All this water on this ice.
Il va, père et fils. Sac à fête. Try not get this choppy. No, Monica.
I'm so sad. Launch control didn't go on! Fuck! Oh, I was sad. Oh, I was sad.
Your dad launched so good though.
Yeah, I fucked up. I don't know what happened. Traction control was off. Oh, okay. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys the two-finger drag race in the SST, but it was in automatic mode. Automatic mode don't have no launch control. So yeah, I failed. I failed you, but we will be back. Okay, I won, guys. Yo, this is the fastest stock Evo in the world. 6.19 at 7.38 seconds miles per hour.
You know why though?
Yeah.
69.
69. Let's do it. Okay, let me go see my pop. Morning.
So Evo X
Versus Evo X.
Evo X, bro.
Stock versus stock.
Yeah, it's because you're stuck.
Oh my god, look at his wing, bro.
Look at that bumper cutout
Oh yeah.
for the exhaust.
Yeah. You just want to
Yeah.
melt the bumper, you
Like
know?
I don't want to. Yeah, I don't want to put the exhaust and melt the bumper. I'll just cut a big ass square.
Civics. So we're surrounded by Civics once again. Welcome to Montreal, or Mirabel, or whatever, Quebec.
Same shit.
Look, 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 drag cart. Drag cart.
Some serious power.
It is. It is. See, the issue is when you ask a Civic what the retail on one of those is, it's always under $1,000.
No way.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, it's like that on both sides.
Is it?
Yeah. Pretty bad.
All right, so that is camber, because you know when you're drifting and stuff. Oh wait a second, it's front wheel drive, right? It is front wheel drive, but like, oh my god, zoom. Okay, I gotta drive, guys. It's an Evo. It's an Evo, and I have the check engine light on, but I'm going racing. Hey, it's off. Is it off? No, it's not. Yeah, it is. No, it's not. It's still on. What are those? G35 life, though. You don't know it. You want to be an Evo, but you're not? Okay, man. Alright, we're doing this for Monica. We gotta beat this guy. Hopefully.
You can do it, Alex. You can do it. He's not staged.
Fuck. So sad, I'm pissed. Ah! Angry! So angry! Sad. 80 miles an hour. I'm just gonna crash into the stop sign. Oh, so fucking sad. What the fuck? What the fuck happened? They have no, bro.
It just went green.
It just went green. It was actually awesome. But yeah. So, hi. We're just gonna take this and we're just gonna pretend like that never happened. It's just pretend. Oh, there's another piece here. Never happened. I'm gonna park my car and I'm gonna cry myself to sleep tonight. Jesse, I miss you.